what's happening today. Today we're going to be opening up the fruit blind bag, and so we can get common, rare, ultra rare, and legendary. Let's go ahead and open it up. I don't want to cut it anything, so. Mind me. Okay. It's really hard to open. Opened a little bit. So we got this really cute cherry picture. It's really cute cherry picture. We kind of drew the exact same one.
Yeah, I drew these and I really like this one, so I drew another copy. But this is it. I drew it. Thank you very much.
And we've got this really cute lemon sticker. What's this say, Bill? I don't know how to read.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Wait, I used to say that in the Gatlinburg quiz. I'm like, this is easy peasy lemon squeezy. This is mac and cheesy. Wait. Okay. And let's see what we got. It says, you got... Let's open it up. Oops, taped. Let's see. We got common. Okay. Now, have a great day. Make sure to like it and subscribe to my videos. Bye!